Oh, these look lovely. Absolutely fabulous. These are my tangy tandoori chicken drumsticks. Let's see how they're made, shall we? Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Worcestershire. There are my chickens. They're so happy today. It's dry. The garden's in full bloom. There's a gentle breeze, but I can see a few rain clouds looming. So let's head indoors and check out the ingredients for this classic chicken tandoori drumstick dish. I'm slightly changing the recipe today. I'm adding a little bit of extra lemon to it. I'm doing a dozen drumsticks. I'm also going to need some wonderful creamy Greek yogurt. Then I'm going to need the combination of 2 Indian spice powders. I like the Raja brand. You can use any brand you like. Tandoori Masala and Garam Masala. On top of that, we're going to need the juice and zest of a lemon, a couple of tablespoons of sugar, and some salt and pepper. It's important that I point out that I've nicked each drumstick 3 or 4 times with the pointed end of a sharp knife in order to maximise the penetration of the marinade to get maximum flavour into our chicken drumstick. And obviously on top of all that, you're going to need 1 big or 2 small Ziploc bags. So let's load the Greek yogurt into the jug. I simply love Greek yogurt. It does so many things, doesn't it? Okay, let's get that in. Add the sugar, that's the sweet. And now the sour, the lemon zest. Zest and juice of 1 lemon. Let's get the juice in. Now it's popping our wonderful spicy Indian powders. Give it a bit of a whisk and then set it aside. And I want you to season the chicken drumsticks really well. Season them both sides, even though I'm only doing it one side. Lots of salt and pepper on those chicken drumsticks. Once you've done that, I've got 6 in a bag here, and I'm going to load half my marinade in that bag with the chicken drumsticks. If you're doing a dozen, then you've only got to do it once. Obviously, you'll need a big bag. Okay, let's zip it up. Okay, we got there eventually, didn't we? Well done. Now I'm going to massage the marinade into the chicken drumsticks. Get it evenly covered as best you can to achieve maximum flavour. There we are, that's done. I'm going to leave this overnight. 8 hours is perfectly acceptable. It's entirely up to you. Okay. The next day you can see me squidging, or is it squishing? I'm not really sure. Squidging or squishing the drumsticks out of the bag, trying to get all the sauce out. And now I'm going to load them onto my baking tray. And I'm lucky here because I've got quite a big one. I'm going to do 6 down the one end and 6 down the other end. Okay, once they're on, let's get them in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then we're going to take them out and we're going to move them onto a fresh baking tray. I don't want them to sit in their own moisture. I want these chicken drumsticks nice and crispy, and I want the outside to be nice and dry. I don't want it to be wet. So on a fresh baking tray, turn them over, back in the oven, another 15 to 20 minutes. And there they are. They're charred, they're perfectly dry, they're not sitting in a pool of juice, they're perfect. Chicken tandoori drumsticks. Let's get them plated up, shall we? And how about that then? Don't they look fabulous? They wouldn't look out of place on a buffet table, perfect for a picnic, great for dinner with some flatbreads and a big basket of fries, or chips as we call them in the UK. I've also done some coriander and mint yogurt with that yogurt that I had left over. I'm so pleased with these drumsticks, and they're so easy. These are my tangy tandoori chicken drumsticks. And don't forget everybody, please smash that like button and subscribe. It's a great way of supporting us on the channel. If you make the dish, let me know how you get on. Let me know if you like it. If there's another dip you preferred, I'd love to know. Tell your friends about the food revolution going on with Chef Archie Pie. I'm starving. I'm going to eat at least 6.